Back.
To remove your F7 key, take your tool, place it underneath the bottom of the key, and whatever tool you're using, paperclip, toothpick, or spudger. Now take your finger, hold down the top part of the key while you slowly start bringing it back to leverage it out, and there you go. You've removed your F7 key. Now to remove the plastic bracket, take your tool, put it on top of the rubber spring, and then underneath the plastic of the hinge, and then slowly start coming back, and it should just pop right out like that. Now get your replacement hinge, and you'll notice this hinge, it's got a continuous piece of plastic on the top, and then at the bottom it has two separations. So that corresponds to how you'll actually place this into the keyhole. So let's do that now. Oh, that little bugger got by. Man, it's fast. They're very small and fidgety. So now we're going to just drop that into place. Now you're going to use your finger and press on both sides to clip it into place. Okay, that's good. Now take your replacement F7 key, place it just on top there, and now we're going to use our finger to push down on the key until it snaps into place. There you go. You've installed your F7 key.
Back.
Ghz.